Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen. The Bitcoin price is possibly only days or weeks away from an absolutely capitulatory decline. Right now we see that inflation is soaring to an unexpectedly high level. We'll discuss this, and we need to take a close look at the altcoin market because, ladies and gentlemen, wow, things are certainly heating up here, and I know that I'm not looking to get caught on the wrong side of the trade. So let's dive in and analyze what is going on, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now let's start this stream off right. Moon boys, moon boys, moon boys. Ha ha ha! For months, the Don has been pointing out that this could wind up being the last line in the sand here for Bitcoin, and that if this last hope trapdoor range of support gives way, that we could see a flush, heinous breakdown towards 20 and possibly even down towards 12,000 USD. Now, it's not just here on the Bitcoin chart. It's here on the altcoin chart as well. This is the ticker symbol total 3 on TradingView. This is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically it's altcoins only. Now look at this clearly defined level of support, right? Resistance here on the uptrend, back tested as support. Not once, not twice, but 3 times, ladies and gentlemen. And here we are in the current day. You just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. We are seeing this level act as support once again. And if we lose this level here, folks, wow, this could wind up being the trap door to send us back down to our next level of old historic price confluence. And where is that at? Folks, for me, it's all the way down towards 180 billion USD, which from the price point at the time of recording would be a roughly minus 56% drop to the downside. Savage, heinous, borderline ludicrous, if you do in fact ask me, but it is what it is. And that's not just the deepest, in my opinion, that it could go. That's only dragging it to these 2 peaks right here. What about if we dropped all the way back down to the multi-year resistance ceiling? Well, folks, let's drag this a little deeper down to the bottom. That's a roughly minus 77% drop to the downside. Now, I'm not saying that this has to happen. I'm just pointing out that this trap door here is looking quite heinous. Okay, there's just not much built here on the way up. It's not saying that something can't be built in no man's land here on the way down. It's just that markets generally tend to try and backtest old areas of interest. And that for me is this first area over here at around 180 billion. And then this second area down here, right? That was a multi-month resistance ceiling that could be backtested now on a drop to act as a new floor. Let's get this crypto. Let's get back to the Bitcoin chart. And you know what? Let's talk about this first. Today we got some absolutely crazy inflation data, okay? With this headline from Forbes, I quote, "Inflation unexpectedly spiked 8.6% in May, hitting 40-year high as gas prices surge again," end quote. Now, ladies and gentlemen, back in the day when Satoshi created Bitcoin, it appeared that this asset was possibly going to be a hedge against inflation, right? Be your own bank, finite supply, right? Unlike the Federal Reserve, who can print unlimited amounts of fiat capital. And now here in the current day, when things have hit the fan, for lack of a better term, Bitcoin is not only not performing how we've theorized it could in the past, but it's actually performing terribly. And it's following tech stocks. It's following the US equities market. Just take a look here at the weekly chart of the NASDAQ 100. Bitcoin has been on a downtrend just like these tech stocks have. Take a look here at the S&P 500 chart. I mean, it's performing terribly just like Bitcoin is. And the one thing that these moon boys all hate so much, they despise oh so much, is the US dollar. And here is the chart that we all need to pay very close attention to, the US dollar index, the DXY. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've been subscribed to my channel for over a year, then you would remember, while all of these moon boys, ladies and gentlemen, it gets me fired up even thinking about it, all of these moon boys berating me down here as I was saying, folks, this could wind up being a very, very bullish looking chart for the US dollar index, and that we could have a bullish W pattern occurring here, and that if we break the ceiling, it could be off to the races. And what do you know, folks? Whoopsies, the Dom was right again. So here we are, fast forward a year, here we are. A US dollar on a weekly time frame is still ripping. Just last week, I had little Jimmy saying, Kirby, the US dollar index is dropping. This is good for Bitcoin. Really, little Jimmy? A multi-year series of higher highs and higher lows, and we get two wimpy weekly candles to the downside? This is good for Bitcoin. These people are delusional, ladies and gentlemen. These people, they either need psychiatric help or they just need to eat some fish oil, some omega-3s, possibly look at some flashcards, do some trivia, get that IQ up, because these people, in my opinion, ladies and gentlemen, they're just bump on a log degenerates with no hope in this space if they can't look at the reality of the situation. The US dollar index on a macro scale is in a raging bull market, going parabolic. You think that Bitcoin and crypto is going to perform well when in the past we have very, very, very recent examples that the Bitcoin bull runs have all taken place during dramatic bear turns for the US dollar index, not bull turns. This right here, bull turn, was a bear market. These two downturns in the US dollar index, bull market. So is this really surprising that this uptick we're having now over the past year has led crypto into a bear market? In my opinion, it's absolutely justified and was to be expected. And if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that I was pointing this out for you, because we keep things real on this channel. We don't sugarcoat it. No fluff and puff, moon boy, unicorns, and rainbows. Kirby, Bitcoin is going to perform well because of inflation. I didn't even know what the word inflation was 3 months ago, but now I'm an expert on the topic. Get wrecked. Ladies and gentlemen, these moon boys couldn't trade their way out of a paper bag, yet they have the audacity to come onto this channel, into the house that Don Curbonaccio built, and try and tell me that I don't know what's going on. Stunad, I've been looking at this market like a hawk with an eagle eye. I've been looking at this market from a realistic perspective over the past year, while everybody else has been off in la la land doing who knows what. We're going to go back to the Bitcoin chart right now. I'm feeling very passionate on the topic. Let's go. And hey, if you haven't already, a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm would be greatly appreciated. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for that. And if you're brand new, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. Now, I'm not even going to look at any indicators or anything like that here today. We've been covering that stream after stream. Just understand the inflation data. No good, okay? Bitcoin here, if we zoom in here on the daily time frame, just understand the most important level for me right now, folks, really is this $28,000 range. Okay, if we drop below 28,000 here, wow. All right, we'll even move this down just a bit, my box, to make it pinpoint accurate with that bottom wick. Okay, if we drop below 28,000, all of the absolute warning shot fired, bells and whistles, alarms, anything like that that could be going off, to me, they're going off. Sound the hurricane alarm, the tornado siren, sound it all, ladies and gentlemen, because at that point, with the U.S. equities market dropping, with inflation soaring, and a flight to safety mentality by market speculators going back into the U.S. dollar, to me right now, Bitcoin looks like nothing more than a speculative, risk-on, super high-risk asset amidst a flight to safety, risk-off, investor sentiment-driven market. Let's get this crypto. And in layman's terms, for the low IQ degenerates that don't understand what I just said, to me, the environment, the macro environment for Bitcoin right now does not look favorable, right? People aren't just throwing money around. Kirby, I got a stimulus check, more than I've made in my life. I'm going to gamble it all on Bitcoin. We don't have that anymore. It's not here. That was years ago. Right now, what we have is quite the opposite. People selling their digital imaginary coins for real tangible dollars to go out and buy groceries, to pay their rent, to get out of debt. Because times have changed, ladies and gentlemen. And if you get caught on the wrong side of this storm, things may be brutal for you. Right now, not only am I preparing to hopefully not get wrecked in this storm, but I'm looking to possibly prosper and get this crypto, because you should not be trying to survive the bear market. Trust me, I see that all day. Kirby, what should I do? One, I'll never tell you what to do with your trades or investments. I'm not your financial advisor. But what I can tell you is that for myself, I'm not looking to survive the bear market. I'm looking to potentially thrive in the bear market. And my VIPs know right now this has been a very tough range to trade. But my last trade here, ladies and gentlemen, I went short right up here towards the top of the range. We dropped. I took profit. Now I'm awaiting my next trade setup idea. Very tough range to trade in here. And trust me, folks, if this trapdoor gives way, there could be life-changing trading opportunity right around the corner. Everybody you see on social media, everybody you know in real life, Six Pack Joe, Average Joe, James at the water cooler, all of the buffoons, right? They're going to be like, wow, doesn't it stink that Bitcoin dropped so much? I lost so much. And I hope to be on the other side of the fence saying, hey, little Jimmy, didn't you see that there was a trapdoor of support that if lost, there could have been short trades to the downside for potentially life-changing profits? Didn't you see that? Didn't you ever think, maybe I should have taken a short position? Ladies and gentlemen, there are no certainties or guarantees in trading, right? I'm not saying that a short position underneath this range is some sort of guaranteed thing. I'm not even suggesting that that's even a thing. What I'm stating is that there are opportunities in bear markets that moon boys overlook because all they think about is upside, upside, upside. Upside in these markets is a thing of the past. We haven't seen upside in this market since November of 2021. Okay, it's been a long time. Okay, and this was a fake out. Realistically, the upside ended in April of 2021 for real. Okay, right now, I'm hunkering down. I've got the pedal to the metal, and I'm looking to get very aggressive with my trade setup ideas right here, right now, because to me, we are possibly on the brink of collapse in Bitcoin. We are possibly on the brink of collapse in Ethereum and other cryptos, the altcoin market. And I'm looking to possibly capture the majority of this move to the downside if it does in fact occur. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be keeping you all exclusively up to date with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, my real-time entry ideas, and my real-time potential take profit ideas, all exclusively in VIP. If you're not already in my VIP, I mean, folks, this train may be ready to be leaving the station here very, very soon. So if you're not already in my VIP, seriously, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Folks, do not miss any more of these important real-time VIP alerts. I'm telling you, this market is in an absolutely critical spot, and I am looking to potentially crush this next market move like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Sheesh. So don't get caught like a deer in the headlights here, folks. Don't be taking that trip down to Wreck City with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. You're better than that, and you deserve better than that. I'm going to leave it there. You know what? I'll leave you with this. Have a plan for yourself, okay? Don't be here getting caught like a deer in the headlights. Have a plan for yourself, because if you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. And you know what? Let me repeat that one more time for the Moon Boys in the back. If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. And the Don does not plan to fail. In fact, the Don plans to succeed. So ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. If you did enjoy here today, a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for the thumbs up. If you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Ladies and gentlemen, do not miss my next important VIP trade setup idea and alert. I will aggressively be looking for trade setup ideas for myself to potentially capture the majority of the next heinous move in this market, whether it be Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm looking very closely at Ethereum as well. I will keep you up to date on that. Folks, don't miss my next one. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell /long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.